the lightning cometh out of the east, and shineth even unto the west, so shall also the coming of the Son of Man be.
Yes, behold, he cometh with clouds, and every eye shall see him, and they also which pierced him, and all the kindreds of the earth shall wail because of him. Even so, Amen.
Know that it is nigh,